Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the protein paradox, why the perfect diet for your 40s might not be so great for your 80s. So, could your healthy midlife diet actually be risky later on? Let's look at the evidence synthesized by AllNutrition.info. We've all heard it, right? Eat more plants, live a long, healthy life. But what if that's not the whole story?
Okay, so let's start by looking at what the science says you should be eating in your middle years. A huge 2024 study found a really clear pattern for people in midlife.
Turns out, eating more plant protein was linked to some amazing health outcomes, like fewer chronic diseases.
The study's conclusion was blunt. For middle age, plant protein is absolutely key.
But here's where the plot thickens. Everything changes once you pass age 65. See, your body's biggest threat actually shifts. It goes from chronic diseases to things like frailty and muscle loss. So the goalposts literally move, and your nutrition game plan has to move right along with them. And some pretty interesting research actually put a number on this critical pivot point. It all comes down to your animal to plant protein ratio. If it drops too low, your risk of frailty shoots up. For older adults, more animal protein meant a lower risk of frailty. Plant protein didn't have the same effect. So what's going on here? Why the big switch? Well, it all comes down to biology. Animal protein simply packs more punch. It's more digestible and has more leucine. And that leucine is like a spark plug for building and keeping the muscle you need as you get older. So let's bring it all together. What does all this mean for your own long-term health plan? Think of it as a two-stage strategy. In your middle years, lean into plants. Later on, bring in more animal protein. Now, the point isn't to ditch plants. It's about smartly adding animal protein back when your body needs it most. So the real question is your diet just for today, or is it built for the long haul?